Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 95 of AP MSET 2020 17 September second shift paper. Okay, in this question it is said that one end of a string of length L is connected to a particle of mass M and the other to a small peg on a smooth horizontal table. It means that there is a horizontal table on which one end of a string is connected to certain mass M, okay, and it is attached to a peg. Now if the particle moves in a circle with speed v and tension T in the string, okay, now this particle is moving in a circular direction. Hope that is clear. Now it is moving in a circle. Now we have to calculate net force on this particle. We know that force on the particle is equals to, here centripetal force is acting, so it will be F will be equals to mv square upon L. This is our force. But here if you look into the options, there is no option as F is equals to mv square upon L. Now we have to calculate the tension in the string. Now tension in that string will be given by mv square upon L, because the tension and the force are equal in this condition. Now it will be F is equals to mv square upon L is equals to T. Now we know that when A is equals to B is equals to C, then A is equals to C. In the same way, F is equals to T in this question. Hope that is clear. So option 1 is our right answer.